Hi, as you can see that this H drive is there, but somehow I lost it and I could not find it on the list of this PC. So I need to get this back. So simply going to this PC and then manage. Then simply going to disk management. So disk 2 is missing from the list, as you can see. Now right click on it and change drive letter. Assign a letter to it. I'm choosing letter H. Now refresh the window and the drive H is there. It's again there and working properly. Hope it helped you, and please subscribe to Joseph IT if you found this video useful. Goodbye.